Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're always on the move, whether it's job sites, road trips, camping, or just needing a portable chill for drinks and snacks, but hate dealing with melting ice in traditional coolers or bulky fridges that don't fit in your car, then get excited because today we're powering up a game changer. It's the Newair 25-quart portable electric cooler car mini fridge. This battery-powered beast keeps things cold without ice, runs on Milwaukee batteries for cordless freedom, and has rugged construction for tough environments. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description and trust me, if you want reliable cooling on the go with easy portability and smart features, this is the cooler that'll keep your refreshments fresh no matter where life takes you. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break it down and see why it's a cool essential in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Newair 25-quart portable electric cooler car mini fridge. This is a compact electric cooler with 25-quart capacity, holding up to 40 cans or various snacks and meals, with thermoelectric cooling that drops temperatures down to 36 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient for effective chilling without ice. It's battery-powered, compatible with Milwaukee M18 batteries for cordless operation up to 8 hours on a single charge, or plug it into a 12-volt car outlet or 110-volt wall socket for unlimited runtime. The build is heavy-duty with impact-resistant plastic that's job site tough, complete with reinforced corners, a locking latch lid to prevent spills, and comfortable handles for easy carrying. Inside, it's insulated with high-density foam for cold retention even when unplugged, and has a removable divider for organization. It features a digital LED display for temperature control from 36 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing cooling or warming modes. Additional perks include a USB port to charge your phone, a bottle opener on the side, and a drain plug for quick cleanup. Dimensions are about 16 inches long by 13 wide by 16 high, weighing just 15 pounds empty for true portability. Setup is simple. Insert a battery or plug-in, set your temp, and load it up. Priced around $149, it's energy efficient and built for daily use in cars, trucks, or outdoor spots. Versatility is a standout. Use it cordless on job sites to keep lunches cold, plugged in your car for road trips with fresh drinks, or at home as a mini fridge for overflow. The warming mode is great for keeping food hot too. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are powering strong. Battery compatibility for cordless freedom with Milwaukee tools, rugged portable design that's lightweight and tough for any adventure, efficient no ice cooling that saves space and mess, digital controls for precise temps and dual modes, and large capacity with extras like USB charging for convenience. Users love how it holds cold for hours, the quiet operation that doesn't disturb, and the durability that handles drops. It's reliable, versatile, and a must for workers or travelers. On the con side, battery life depends on your Milwaukee pack size, so higher capacity ones are better for long use. Thermoelectric cooling isn't as deep as compressor models in extreme heat. No built-in battery, so you need Milwaukee ones separately. And some note slower chill times from room temp, though most say it's effective for maintaining cold. Overall, pros dominate for on-the-go users. My recommendation? Absolutely. Go for the Newair 25-quart portable electric cooler. Car mini fridge if you need portable cooling, and the pros like battery power, no ice efficiency, and ruggedness make sense for you. It's ideal for tradespeople, campers, or drivers wanting fresh stuff without the hassle. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your adventures chilling, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a travel pal, or subscribe for more. See you next time.